Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time since I sat down and recorded a YouTube video. It has been such a crazy past couple of months, but I'm really excited to be doing this video because we are going to be unboxing some mystery boxes. And if you've been around for a while, you know I love mystery boxes. And I went to Five Below today and I found these Stitch ones, which are really super cute. I don't know if my phone is gonna focus. There we go. I got a new iPhone that actually has the cinematic mode, so this is my first time filming a YouTube video with that. So hopefully it goes okay. We will see. But yeah, this is super cute. It has like the ears. I am so excited. I got 3 of them, so I'm gonna just shut up and get to opening them because I'm excited. I love Stitch. And I can't remember what all the figures look like. I hope they have like a little packet in here, like a lot of like mystery boxes do. Oh my, this is really hard to open. I'm feeling I'm struggling quite a bit, honestly. This is really embarrassing with how much I'm struggling right now. Got it. We need to play that like SpongeBob title card 2 hours later. So oh my god, I didn't even get it open. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got. Oh yes. Okay, there is a little card in here. All right. Let's see. Actually, let's go through the card first. So here it is. And this is the rare one, so obviously I hope we get the rare one because what a flex, you know what I mean? And okay, these are all the ones we can get. So let me see if I can't focus. There we go. So these are all the ones that we could get. I'm still getting used to this cinematic mode. There we go, okay. Okay, hopefully you can kind of see that. I really hope, oh my god, I hope we get Cupcake Stitch down here. Or we get Cookie Stitch. Hope we get one of those two. Yeah, I'm really hoping we get one of those. Or Watermelon Stitch, because you know, Watermelon Sugar, Harry Styles. That would be super cute. All right, let's see what the first one is. Oh, it's so cute. The way that I am going to buy a bunch of these, oh my god, I love Stitch. So this one is Snow Cone Stitch. How freaking adorable. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna have like a whole collection of Stitch. I am so excited. Okay, now time to go through the struggle of opening this up again. That was really complicated for no good reason. I wish it wasn't so complicated because it would be really satisfying if I could just get it in like one go, but it's not looking like these are how that works. All right, let's see what our second one is. ASMR. Okay. All right. There we go. Who do we got? Pineapple Stitch. Oh, that is so cute. I'm obsessed. It's like biting on the pineapple. That's adorable. Wait, can I do a beauty guru thing? I don't know. I have to get used to the cinematic mode. But okay, we got 2 super cute ones. I really seriously want to go back to Five Below and get so many more of those. Okay, one more to open. I just don't like this part. Oh, okay, that one was a lot quicker. Okay, I think we're getting there. I feel like nobody else struggles as hard as I do sometimes with things. Like, probably a 5-year-old could open this up a little bit easier than I can. Okay. The way I'm making a mess right now is crazy. Last one. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. I really hope we get one of the ones I want. I really want to get the watermelon one to put in my Harry Styles bathroom. Okay, this is so cute. It's a little pizza stitch. That is adorable. Let me see if I can't get it focused. Okay, I really love these. I want to collect them all. These are so freaking cute. I'm so excited. I am definitely gonna make another video of me doing this unboxing, whether you guys like it or not, because I'm obsessed with Stitch and I just want all the Stitch action figures, collectibles, if you will. Alright guys, well that's gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. I know I did. I love my mystery boxes and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!